Journalism skills and roles. Chapter 3 talks about the basic technical skills and roles to prepare journalists on gathering information and sharing it in whatever medium is most appropriate. First, skills. Journalists would need to be familiar with a range of skills in order to be a multimedia journalist. The textbook lists 5 basic skills: editing, photography, videography, graphics design, and web design. When editing, there are issues that should be considered: legal issues and fairness, accuracy in fact, tone and display, completeness, length and consciousness, language issues. Photography consists of 3 general rules. Number 1, the image must be in focus. 2, the image must be lit using natural light so that it can be clearly seen from the angle of the camera. And 3, the subject must be within the frame. Videography consists of the same concepts as photography. However, you must have less ability to edit what is seen inside the frame. Graphic designs have 4 important factors to make a good graphic. Number 1 is simple so that the reader can easily grasp the point of being made. 2 uses multiple colors to illustrate differences among subjects or areas of a graphic. 3 cites the sources of the information contained in the graphic. And 4 tells a story on its own without reading explanatory information. Web design, most important thing is to know your website's capabilities. The new roles in Converge newsrooms help gain a better understanding of the tasks involved in editing and delivering these stories to the public. 6 new roles are mentioned. First, the story bidder, role addressed to display multimedia news. Workers might deal with its info and story flow differently. News flow managers, which oversees the flow of information collected and processed by journalists and story builders to the production side of the operation. User-generated content editor verifies and checks the spread of the accuracy of the content that can make a difference between the first and the last with breaking news. Digital right manager helps news staff keep track of what's content that's in the system. The interactive content designer uses Flash, JavaScript, and news versions of HTML to create interactive content such as data visualizations. Lastly, social media coordinator, which is responsible for sharing info on social network sites. The textbook not only gives tips on how to work behind the scenes, but how to perform in front of the camera as well. Teamwork is an essential aspect of any newsroom. Journalists will have a chance to consider the importance of teamwork in the Converge newsrooms. For Eagle News, this is Kirsten Floyd.